Hello guys, for this week we got these activities. On Monday 20 we got the pages 104 and 150. In the page 104 you need to read this. This is the flyer from Brian's swimming school. Read it carefully and answer the questions. These are the questions, okay? In the page 155 we got activity 2 reinforcement. On a separate piece of paper, write any new words you have learned from the flyer and then look up their meaning in the dictionary. In the activity 3, we got work with a partner. You cannot do that. And answer these questions. Number 1, how do you think swimming lessons can help you stay healthy? And number 2, what do you do to stay healthy every day? And in the number 3, what recommendations would you give a friend to stay healthy? On Wednesday we got this worksheet activity reading. Okay, you need to read this and answer the number 1 and 2 exercises. Okay, in the number 1 you need to answer these questions, number 1 to number 7, and in the second one you need to answer true or false. When you finish, take a picture and send it to me by my mail or through platform message, okay? On Friday 24, we got the page 105, visible thinking, creative thinking, imagining new ways. Think about the different ways you can overcome the following health problems. Give the reason why each one represents a problem and why the solution you propose is effective. And we got the work with a partner. No, you cannot do that. Pretend both of you are, during your trip, you have some health problems that you don't know how to solve. Write 2 problems. Give each other advice on what to do. In the activity 2 reinforcement, we got imagine you're in school. In school, work with a partner to answer. No, you cannot do that. Work alone and answer the questions. What can you do if you get an erase? What do you have to do if a classmate breaks an arm during recess? And what can you do if you chip? In number 3, what can you do if you chip a tooth? Don't forget to take a picture and send it to me through platform or by email. Goodbye, guys.